Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Selenium interview questions. That is, how to install Git Bash command line tool. Let me answer this question with practical demonstration. First of all, what is Git Bash command line tool? Using the Git Bash command line tool, we can run different Git commands. Okay, Git Bash is a command line tool using which we can run several or different Git related commands like git status, git init, git config, git clone, okay, git push, git commit, etc., etc., etc. Okay, it's a command line tool where we can run the git related commands. Okay, but do we have to install git bash separately? No, guys. Okay, though the question is here to ask us like how to install git bash command line tool. We don't have to directly install the Git Bash tool. Rather, we have to install the Git software in our machine. Along with that Git software, we automatically get Git Bash. We don't have to separately install Git Bash. Okay, we have to install Git software. Along with that, we'll get Git Bash. I'll show you practically. Okay, first, before installing the Git software, you type Git here. You see, you're not getting any big Git Bash and all those stuff. So what I'm going to do here is I'll open this browser and just Google search for two terms, that is Git space download. Okay, I want to install Git software, hence I am searching for Git download. And in the search results, we'll get this link Git SEM Git downloads. Click on that link. You'll be taken to this web page, web application page of Git, where you can install, you can download the Git for Mac, Windows, or Linux. Since my machine is Windows 11 machine, I'm selecting this Windows. And you see here, download for Windows. Click here to download the latest version. Latest 64-bit version of Git for Windows, it's saying. Click on that. Click here to download. Okay. So it started downloading. As you can see, the Git software is downloading here. Let's wait for the download to finish. Once it is finished downloading, you'll get this option. Just click on that. And it will take to the location. It will take you to the location where the Git software has been downloaded in your machine. Okay. So in the downloads folder of this machine, this is a software that has got downloaded. Okay. This is a exe file that got downloaded. Just double click on this exe file. In a while, you will get the installation wizard. Before the installation wizard, we got a user access control dialog where we just need to select yes. Once that is done, the installation wizard will appear on the screen. You see, you'll get this kind of installation wizard of Git. So read the license. Okay. Click on next. This is the location where the Git software will get installed. Click on next. Just select yes. Okay. So if you already have installed Git earlier, right, and the installation is not done completely, then you may get that additional confirmation. But in real time, if you are installing freshly the Git software and you have not installed Git any way before in your machine, then you will not get that dialog. Anyhow, just keep clicking next, whatever it is. Keep clicking next. You don't have to learn about all these options. Just select next, 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 next. Install. That's it. Okay. Don't have to apply your brain. Just keep clicking next. That's it. Okay, in a while, what will happen? The Git software will be installed in our machine. And along with the Git software, we are going to get the Git Bash command line tool. We don't have to install that Git Bash command line tool separately. Rather, when we install Git software, along with it, we'll get the Git Bash command line app or tool where we can run the Git commands. So let's wait for this particular exe file to be installed completely. Almost there. Let's wait. Almost completed. Now, once it is installed, you will get the finish button or something. Let's wait. Okay, it's doing some process here. Yeah, done. You see, completing the Git setup wizard. The last final installation wizard screen has come. Just deselect all these options. Click on finish. That's it. Git software has been successfully installed in our machine now. Just to confirm that, you just type Git here. You see, when I type Git here, I'm getting Git Bash app also. Okay. Not only Git Bash, we also got Git GUI, Git CMD, and many other stuff. Along with Git software, we are getting all these different apps. Okay. Git Bash is one of them, and it is a command line tool of Git where we can run the Git related commands. Okay. Once this Git Bash app is available here, you can select it. It will launch. the Git Bash command line tool will launch. Okay. And here you can run any command, git status, etc. Okay. Not a Git repository. You have to run the git init command to initialize this repository as a git repository. We have to run git init command. Then you have to select git status. Okay. This command will only work in the git related repositories. Okay. Git initialized repositories. Fine. Okay. Anyhow, you understood, right? How to install Git Bash command line tool? You don't have to install it separately. Rather, you have to download and install Git software. Along with the Git software, you will get Git Bash command line tool. So hope guys, you got the answer for this question with practical demonstration in this session. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.